Makera Z1 versus Z1 Pro. Which Makera laser engraver should you buy? If you're comparing the Makera Z1 and Z1 Pro, there's one important thing to understand first. These machines are primarily compact CNC machines, while laser engraving is an additional capability through an optional laser module. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. Both models are designed for desktop manufacturing and have a compact working area suitable for smaller projects. They can work with materials such as wood, plastics, composites, and certain non-ferrous metals. An optional laser module also allows engraving on materials such as wood, leather, fabric, plastic, and cardboard. The biggest difference between the two machines is their motion system. The standard Z1 uses stepper motors with an Acme lead screw, while the Z1 Pro upgrades to closed-loop stepper motors and ball screws. The Z1 Pro also offers faster maximum travel speeds, making it the more performance-focused option. Both machines work with Makera's software ecosystem and can also fit into workflows using popular CAD and CAM programs. So, which one should you choose? The regular Z1 makes more sense for hobbyists and beginners who want a compact CNC machine without needing the upgraded motion system. The Z1 Pro is better suited to users who expect to do more demanding or frequent CNC work and want better motion control and faster movement. One limitation is the relatively small working area. And if your main goal is laser engraving, remember that the laser is an optional module rather than the primary function of these machines. Overall, the Z1 is the simpler choice, while the Z1 Pro is the better option for users who need more performance. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe, and tell me which Makera you choose.